Yes, I have pressed the recording button. Let me share the screen. It goes like this. Okay. I would like to welcome all the students to my today's virtual session. A very warm good evening to you all. I think today's class is the fourth or fifth class of this semester, MA third semester. The course is ELT research and language testing. So far, we have already talked about the basic concept of research, the process of research, the qualities of research. These topics we have covered already. In the previous class, we talked about research paradigms also very briefly. We talked about positivism, post-positivism, constructivism, and critical paradigm also. And I also told you something about pragmatism as well. Today, I'm planning to make you clear about three types of research approaches. As you can see on the screen, these approaches are a qualitative approach, the first one. The second one is quantitative approach. And the third one is integrative approach or mixed approach. So we'll be talking about these three approaches separately today. So first we'll talk about qualitative research approach or qualitative research. So what is qualitative research? So let's talk about this now. Simply, a qualitative research is the research based on the philosophical assumption, philosophical foundation of interpretivism or constructivism. I presuppose all of you know the meaning of interpretivism or constructivism. We discussed this thing in the previous class. So its philosophical foundation or philosophical base is interpretivism. This research approach, qualitative research explores the truth or certain phenomenon subjectively. Or in other words, qualitative research is subjective approach to truth, subjective approach to research. It is also referred by the terms interpretive research, naturalistic research, ethnographic research, phenomenological research, or inductive research. So it is the subjective study of truth. As I told you last time, a qualitative research is concerned with interpreting the meaning of the lived experiences of the individuals. Lived experiences. We are more concerned with the lived experiences of the people, of the research participants with certain phenomenon. As I told you yesterday, there are three philosophical assumptions regarding the ontology. Three ontological assumptions, let's say. One assumption is reality is out there. The job of the researcher is just to uncover that reality or truth. Truth is in the scene. The reality is in the scene, not in the mind. But the second assumption is reality is not out there. It is rather constructed by individuals. The individuals construct the reality, and there are multiple constructions of reality. There are multiple constructions of truth. And this qualitative research takes this as the ontological position. A qualitative researcher is governed by, is guided by this type of ontological position, that reality is in the mind. Reality is not objective. Reality is subjective. Reality is not singular. Reality is plural. Same phenomenon, same phenomenon can be understood, can be interpreted in multiple ways by different people. And the job of the researcher is to explore the multiple understandings, multiple perceptions, or multiple interpretations of the people about certain phenomena. So as you can see on the screen, qualitative research is the subjective study of truth. Quantitative research is the objective study, just opposite. It emphasizes observation and description of phenomenon and collects and analyzes data using descriptive and analytical tools rather than statistical tools. Here the data are software. I mean, in qualitative research, we collect soft data, not hard data. Hard data means numerical data. Soft data means, okay, verbal data, or the data which are in non-numerical form. We go to the field, we take interview with the people. That interview will not be the structured interview, it will be unstructured interview, and our data will be in the form of dialogues, discussions, okay, words, sentences. It may also be in the form of, okay, photographs, images, symbols, and so on. So all these are soft data, and we analyze and interpret these soft data and come to certain understanding, certain conclusion. So according to Flick 2009, a qualitative research is an investigation of the subjective experience of the social production of the issues. So I have repeatedly told you that qualitative research is concerned with the subjective experience, subjectivity of truth. So it is concerned with what? Subjectivity of the truth. A quantitative research is concerned with objectivity of truth, singularity of truth, concreteness of truth, universality of truth, whereas qualitative research is concerned with individuality of truth, plurality of truth, subjectivity of truth, how different people understand the same phenomenon in different ways, and why they understand the same phenomenon in different ways. What is the meaning of, okay, their experiences? What is the meaning of different experiences of the different people with, okay, let's say with the same phenomenon? That is the concern of what you call qualitative research. See the last sentence here. Okay, this is derived from Flick 2009. Okay, Flick 2009 says that a qualitative research is an investigation of the subjective experience of the social production of the issues, events, or practices by collecting, okay, non-standardized data. It means non-statistical, non-numerical, non-mathematical data, and analyzing text and images rather than number and statistics. Here we do not analyze number and statistics. Okay, we analyze the data, okay, which are in the form of, okay, words, sentences, and so on. Now let me move on to next slide. Okay, so what are the features of qualitative research? Just see here. Okay, some features of qualitative research. So it is based on naturalistic inquiry. Qualitative research is based on naturalistic inquiry. What does this mean? It means a qualitative researcher goes to the field, collects data in the natural environment. He or she will be submerged with the life of the researched, life of the participants. He or she behaves like the research participants or like the informants. Okay, so for several days he or she, okay, he or she passes the time with that person, he or she behaves as if, okay, he or she is the, okay, member of that community, member of that family, member of that institution. Why the researcher does this? The researcher does this to extract, I mean to derive the rich description, in-depth information, okay, about the experiences of the people with the certain, okay, phenomenon, certain event. So qualitative research is conducted in natural setting, okay. It is inductive analysis, inductive type of research. I think you know the meaning of induction and deduction, inductive approach and deductive approach. In inductive approach, okay, we move from, okay, let's say specific, okay, instances to general situation. It means, okay, we are driven by data, okay, whereas in deductive approach we are driven by theory. It is said that quantitative research is theory driven research, okay, we are driven by theory. So before going to the field, we postulate particular hypothesis, we keep certain hypothesis, certain theory in our mind, and we go to the field, we collect data to justify or falsify that hypothesis, or to test, okay, that particular theory. We do these things in, okay, quantitative research. But in qualitative research, we don't go to the field with the theory. Theory will be developed at the end. We may develop theory at the end, okay. We don't have any, okay, let's say prior theory in our mind. We are not driven by any prior theory in our mind. We are not driven by any prior hypothesis in our mind. We don't go to the field with hypothesis. We may generate new theory at the end of our research. The research process is just the opposite here in qualitative research and quantitative research. So I told you about inductive analysis. Quantitative research is deductive type of research, whereas qualitative research is inductive type of research. Similarly, okay, qualitative research is based on holistic perspective. It means in qualitative research, we specify a certain issue, okay, and we narrow down it, and our study will be very much vertical, okay, very much depth. Quantitative study is the study in width, okay, width on the surface. It is more superficial type of study, but qualitative study is the study in depth, okay, study in depth, and certain issue will be, okay, analyzed, okay, very deeply, okay, study very deeply. Say, if you talk about the research participants in qualitative research, there may be 1, 2, or very few research participants, very few informants. You can carry out qualitative research on a single person also, okay. The person from whom you collect data, maybe only one person, only one individual. Why you do so? Why you select less and less number of participants for collecting data? Because you want to, okay, have rich description, you want to have thick description, you want to collect thick data, okay, you want to collect, okay, let's say rich data, okay, from him or her. You want to have the holistic study of that individual, okay. It is the reason. But in quantitative research, okay, we collect, okay, information from large sample. Your sample may be 100, 200, 1000, or many thousands also. You just send, okay, some structured question, okay, let's say through email or through Google form, or okay, through somebody else, and the respondents will see your question and they just tick there. They say yes or no, agree, disagree, like this. So in a sense, it is very superficial type of, okay, research, okay. It is the research conducted on width, okay, whereas qualitative research is the research conducted in depth, okay. So it is a holistic study, okay. It depends on qualitative data, non-numerical data, non-statistical data, okay. So in quantitative research, okay, our data will be in number, how many, how much percentage, okay, highest, lowest, and these things, okay. Yes, but in qualitative research, okay, we don't quantify the data. I mean, we don't call it the, okay, quantified type of data, or let's say numerical type of data. Our data will be in the form of words, sentences, okay, images, paragraphs, discourses, okay, dialogues, similarly images, photographs, okay, and so on. So it is what? Soft data or qualitative data, and it is always context sensitive. Qualitative research is conducted in a particular context only, and it is never generalizable. Quantitative research is generalizable, okay, it is generalizable, but qualitative research is not generalizable, okay. Qualitative research lacks the feature of generalizability. What does that mean? What is the meaning of generalization? The finding from, okay, the sample will be generalized, okay, will be generalized to the population. It means the truth of sample, okay, will be declared as the truth of the whole population also, okay. यो भनेको जस्तो हाम्रो रियल पपुलेसन 1000 जना थियो, हामीले स्याम्पल चाहिँ जम्मा 100 जना लियौ, 100 जनाबाट आएको फाइन्डिङ जुन ट्रुथ आउँछ त्यो 1000 जनाकै ट्रुथ हो, त्यो लागू हुन्छ भन्नुलाई जनरलाइजेसन, ओके। यस, तर क्वालिटेटिभ रिसर्चमा चाहिँ यस्तो जनरलाइजेसन गरिदैन, किनकि हाम्रो स्याम्पल चाहिँ के हुन्छ भने नन र्यान्डम स्याम्पलिङ हुन्छ, थोरै स्याम्पलिङ हुन्छ, ओके, थोरै 1-2 जनामा मात्रै हामी रिसर्च गर्छौं, ओके, अनि त्यसबाट आएको फाइन्डिङ चाहिँ इन्टायर पपुलेसनमा त्यही हुन्छ भने चाहिँ वी क्यानट से दिस, ओके। So it is context sensitive, okay, it is emergent, it is evolving type of, okay, design, okay. Your research design, okay, your research tools, okay, your topics may change in course of time. So it is not the rigid type of, okay, research, okay. Quantitative research is more rigid, okay, it is less flexible, okay. किन मैले rigid र लेस फ्लेक्सिबल भनेको छु भने क्वान्टिटेटिभ रिसर्चमा चाहिँ हामीले रिसर्च गर्नुभन्दा अगाडि प्रपोजलमा जे कुरा चाहिँ लेखेका छौं, जतिवटा क्वेशन बनाएका छौं, ओके, जति टाइममा इन्टरभ्यु लिने भनेका छौं, त्योबाट तलमाथि केही गर्नै पाउँदैन। एभ्रिथिङ इज प्री स्ट्रक्चर्ड, ओके। कतिवटा क्वेशन सोध्ने, कतिपय समय लिने, के भन्ने, कति जनामा सोध्ने भन्ने कुरा, एभ्रिथिङ इज फिक्स्ड, फाइनलाइज्ड, ओके। सो यु क्यानट चेन्ज लेटर अन, बट इन क्वालिटेटिभ रिसर्च, ओके, सो यु विल नट go to the field with pre-structured question लिएर हामी जाँदैनौं। पहिले क्वेशन त कस्तो क्वेशन सोध्ने भन्ने कुरा त फिल्डमा चाहिँ अडियन्सले दिएको, पार्टिसिपेन्ट दिएको रेस्पोन्सको आधारमा कस्तो क्वेशन सोध्ने, हामीलाई चाहिएको आन्सर कसरी निकाल्ने, कसरी खोतल्ने उबाट, ओके, भन्ने कुराहरू हुन्छ। जस्तो एउटा पार्टिसिपेन्टबाट हामीले खोजेको हाम्रो रिसर्च क्वेशनको आन्सर त्यहाँबाट आएन भने, ओके, हामीले अर्को चाहिँ सेलेक्ट गर्न नै सक्छौं। सो वी क्यान चेन्ज द रिसर्च टुल्स, वी क्यान चेन्ज द पार्टिसिपेन्ट्स, ओके। Yes, we can change the sample and other things, okay. In this sense, it is very much a, okay, let's say flexible type of research, emergent type of research. And as I have told you already, okay, in qualitative research we don't use the number, we use the words, okay. So it is dominated by language, and we use very small sample size here. Sample will be very small, okay. The sample may be only one also, एकै जनामा पनि हामीले स्टडी गर्न सक्छौं, ओके। 2-3 सिंगल डिजिटमा धेरै रिसर्चहरु हुन्छन्, ओके। आवर रिसर्च पार्टिसिपेन्ट्स मे बी, ओके, सिंगल डिजिट भनेको 9 जना सम्मको चाहिँ धेरै रिसर्च हुन्छ, म्याक्सिमम 30-35 भन्दा बढी हुँदैन। whereas in quantitative research the sample size may be, okay, 100, thousands or more than that also, okay. So this is a difference here. So now, okay, I think you understood the meaning of qualitative research. Once again, qualitative research is, let me summarize first, then okay, you may ask question, okay. Let me summarize what I told you so far. Okay, I want to summarize, please listen. So qualitative research is subjective exploration of truth. Please keep in your mind, it is subjective exploration of truth. It is based on interpretivist paradigm. It is guided by interpretivist philosophical paradigm. It assumes that reality or truth is multiple. The job of the researcher is just to explore the multiplicity of the truth, multiple understanding of the single phenomenon. it is dominated by language. We use qualitative data, non-numerical data, non-statistical data. It is based on inductive analysis. It is inductive type of research. It is not theory driven research. It is theory discovery type of research. It duly considers the context. It means it is context sensitive. It is emergent. It uses a small sample size. So these are the things I told you earlier, and many other things are there, many other points are there. Okay, we'll discuss those points in other slides. Okay, so do you have to ask anything regarding the slide I presented earlier? I have several slides about these types of research.
Emergent.
Sorry?
Emergent.
Emergent means evolving, not remaining same. Not remaining same all the time. Okay, the process of qualitative research may change. It is very flexible type of research. It may change in course of your research project. In that sense, it is emergent type of research. That is the meaning here. Clear? Are you clear?
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay.
Any other? Then let's go to quantitative type of research. I hope you will be clear once we complete this topic, because there are several other slides here which will give you more ideas, okay, more clearer ideas about these research approaches. Let's talk briefly about quantitative research also. So quantitative research is just opposite to qualitative research. Just reverse the process. That will be quantitative. Quantitative research is based on the philosophical paradigm or philosophical position or foundation of positivism and post-positivism also. It is the objective exploration, objective study of truth. It is based on scientific process of research. I mean, the steps of research that is followed in natural science. So it is a process of systematic investigation of a phenomenon through statistical, mathematical, and computational techniques. I have told you already that the data in quantitative research are in number. They are in number, not in words, not in language. They are in number. They are in statistical forms. They are in computational forms. They are in mathematical forms. And as it is positivist type of research, its ontological position is what? Truth is singular. Reality is out there. The job of the researcher is just to uncover that reality. And by following the scientific steps of research, by being guided by theory-driven approach, hypothesis testing approach, the researcher will be able to uncover the truth, which is universal, which is objective. So this is quantitative type of research. And it always studies about what? Cause-effect relationship between different, okay, let's say variables. Okay, cause-effect relationship. Cause-effect. Okay, yes, relationship between different variables. Survey research, correlational research, experimental research. So these are the examples of quantitative research. As you can see on the screen, quantitative research is explaining phenomena by collecting numerical data that are analyzed using mathematically based methods. So what statistical tools we use in this type of research while presenting data, analyzing and interpreting them? We use different statistical tools like percentage, frequency, okay, mean, median, mode, okay, standard deviation, and then different types of tests, okay, are used for hypothesis testing, okay. Yes, chi-square test you might have heard, okay, and different other types of tests are there. If I say about them all now, okay, you will be confused, so I didn't want to expose more this time. So different types of hypothesis testing, statistical methods are there, okay. Different types of other statistical tools, mathematical tools are used there in quantitative research. So once again, quantitative research is based on the objectivity of the truth. Its philosophical foundation is positivism. It assumes that the reality is out there and the job of the researcher is just to uncover the reality. Reality or the truth is universal. The researcher can grasp that truth by following the scientific process of research. Okay, the relationship between the knower and the known is not dependent, it is independent. Okay, the knower is independent of the known. Okay, research should not be value laden. Okay, research should be value free. In qualitative research, we believe that research is value laden. The values of the researcher, values of the participants, okay, may influence the research process. They may also be counted in research process. Whereas in quantitative research, we assume that, okay, we have to keep the values away, values of the, okay, researcher and the values of the participants. So it is value free type of research. Okay, researcher must be value free. Okay, it assumes that. And unlike, okay, qualitative research, it is more deductive. Okay, deductive research. Okay, in quantitative research, okay, we keep one certain theory, certain hypothesis, certain answer, okay, in our mind before going to the field. Okay, we have certain prediction about the answer. Okay, that is called hypothesis. Okay, hypothesis is tentative guess, logical guess, intellectual guess about the, okay, answer to our research question. We have research question, but okay, before collecting the data also, we have a kind of, okay, assumption. We make assumption about the answer to those research questions. Yes, so it is driven by hypothesis. Okay, it is driven by certain theory. So in this sense, it is deductive type of research. It is conducted in big sample. Okay, the sample size of quantitative research is very big. Okay, we may collect the data from hundreds of people, hundreds of respondents. Okay, in qualitative research, the sample size is very small. I have told you already that. And okay, it is mostly in of single digit. Okay, not double digit. Yes, and in quantitative research, the sample size is rarely single digit, rarely. Okay, so data are collected from large number of people. The population may be 1,000, and from 1,000 we may collect the data. Okay, I mean, from 1,000 the data may be collected from 200, 300, 400 people also. Okay, there is a specific formula for, okay, keeping the okay, specifying the sample size. So these are the differences, you know. So it is more deductive. It aims to verify the existing theories. So quantitative research is carried out to verify, to justify, or to falsify certain theories, certain assumptions. Whereas qualitative research is used to I mean, qualitative research is carried out to develop new theory, not to justify the existing theory. Okay, so it involves developing a research instrument, okay, measurement tools, creating categories of analysis, proposing hypotheses, and asking questions. All these things are, okay, prepared in advance. So it is very, okay, rigid type of research. It is not emergent type of research. It is not flexible type of research. It is structured research. Okay. Quantitative research is essentially about collecting numerical data. We collect numerical data, statistical data to explain particular phenomenon, especially causal relationship, variable relationship, relationship between and among different variables are studied here. Okay, cause effect relationship is studied here in quantitative type of research. Okay, like Okay, the questions may be like how many males get a first class degree at university compared to female. See, answer will be in number here, in percentage. What do you think? How do you feel? भन्यो भने त्यो क्वालिटेटिभ हुन्छ. Okay, yes, what is your income भनेर सोध्यो. ओके, त्यो चाहिँ क्वान्टिटेटिभ हुन्छ. त्यसको आन्सर नै के हुन्छ भने हामीले उसले त्यो रेस्पोन्डले दिने आन्सरै के हुन्छ भने कि नम्बरमा हुन्छ कि पर्सेन्टमा हुन्छ कि अरूमा हुन्छ. ओके, त्यो भएर चाहिँ इट इज कल्ड ओके I mean in quantitative research, okay, hard data, okay, are used. So how many males get a first class degree at university compared to females? What percentage of teachers and school leaders belong to ethnic minority groups? Okay, like this. As pupil achievement in English improve to our school district or over time? And answer is yes or no. Yes or no. अब yes or no आन्सर दिइसकेपछि हामीले सोधेको मध्ये कतिजनाले yes भन्यो, कतिजनाले no भन्यो, त्यसलाई पनि क्वान्टिफाई गर्न सकिन्छ. Okay, the answers or the responses given by the participants or let's say respondents can be converted into quantity. Okay, उनीहरूले दिएको आन्सर कि सिधै नम्बरमा हुन्छ, सिधै नम्बरमा यति जना उति जना 80% भनेर सिधै उनीहरूले नम्बरमा आन्सर दिन्छ कि चाहिँ उनीहरूलाई चाहिँ सजिलै हामीले चाहिँ नम्बरमा कन्भर्ट गर्न सक्छौँ. यस र नो टाइपको आन्सर सोध्यो भने कतिजनाले यस भन्यो, कतिजना नो भन्यो, हामी निकाल्न सकिहाल्छ. अग्री डिसअग्री भन्ने टाइपको आन्सर सोध्यो भने हामीले सोधेको 100 जना मध्ये कतिजनाले एग्री गर्यो, कतिजनाले डिसअग्री गर्यो, कतिजनाले ओके आई डोन्ट नो अथवा न्यूट्रल भन्यो, इन्डिफरेन्ट भन्यो. ओके, त्यसलाई सिधै हामीले चाहिँ डेटालाई चाहिँ क्वान्टिफाई गर्न सक्छ. ओके, तर क्वालिटेटिभ रिसर्चमा जहाँ चाहिँ ओपन इन्डेड क्वेसनहरू हुन्छ, ओके, मस्टली वी आस्क ओपन इन्डेड क्वेसन्स, ओके, वी क्यान नट क्वान्टिफाई. तपाईलाई के लाग्छ, तपाईको विचारमा के हो भन्ने कुरालाई चाहिँ हामी पर्सेन्टेज यताउता भन्न सकिदैन. ओके, सो दिस इज द डिफरेन्स. Okay, so now let's talk about the difference between qualitative research and quantitative research. अब क्लियर हुन्छ, तपाईले मलाई क्वेशन सोध्नै पर्दैन. मलाई थाहा छ कि अब मैले 3-4 वटा स्लाइड गरिसकेपछि तपाईले चाहिँ क्वेशन सोध्न नै पर्दैन भन्ने हुन्छ. त्यो एकछिन सुन्नु होला ध्यान दिएर. So differences between qualitative research and quantitative research. Let's compare these two types of research. Okay, see here on this slide. We can differentiate these two types of research in terms of different points of comparison. Like, okay, in terms of on the basis of focus of research, qualitative research le kelai focus garcha, quantitative research le kelai focus garcha. Let's see. The focus of qualitative research is quality, nature, essence, meaning, understanding, perception. त्यो खालको हुन्छ, quality मा हुन्छ, quality. The focus of qualitative research is quality, whereas the focus of quantitative research is quantity. Okay, I have told you already that in quantitative research, okay, the responses or the data, okay, data are in the form of number, percentage, like how many, how much, okay, like this. The philosophical paradigm, ल हेर्नुस्, मैले पहिला चाहिँ philosophical paradigm को बारे भनेको भएर तपाईँ अब सजिलो हुन्छ. The philosophical root of qualitative research is phenomenology भनेको छ. यहाँ phenomenology लाई कहिलेकाहीँ यसलाई फिलोसफीमा पनि राखेको पाइन्छ. अब यो फिनोमेनोलोजी भन्नुस्, ओके, कन्स्ट्रक्टिभिजम भन्नुस्, इन्टरप्रेटिभिजम भन्नुस्, त्यो सबैले चाहिँ मल्टिप्लिसिटी अफ ट्रुथ, ओके, यस, मल्टिपल कन्स्ट्रक्सन अफ ट्रुथ भनेर चाहिँ भनेको हुन्छ. यहाँ फिनोमेनोलोजी लेखे पनि भयो, तर मैले अगाडि भनिसकेको छु. द फिलोसोफिकल फाउन्डेसन अफ क्वालिटेटिभ रिसर्च इज व्हाट? इन्टरप्रेटिभिजम. इट इज बेस्ड अन इन्टरप्रेटिभिस्ट प्याराडाइम, philosophical paradigm भन्ने. Okay, and whereas quantitative research is based on the philosophical paradigm of positivism or logical empiricism. Okay, यसलाई positivism, अहिले चाहिँ positivism हामीले पढेको कुरा चाहिँ यो छ, यो positivism भन्ने टर्म चाहिँ लेख्नु होला. Okay, associated phrases. What are the associated phrases, okay, of qualitative research? हामी qualitative research भन्ने बित्तिकै के भन्छौँ? field work भन्छौँ. We use the term field work. ethnographic research हो भन्छौँ. तपाईँ के रिसर्च गरे? क्वालिटेटिभ माने के गरेको भनेर सोध्यो भने हाम्रो आन्सर नर्मली के हुन्छ? एथनोग्राफिक रिसर्च हो, केस स्टडी हो, नेचुरलिस्टिक रिसर्च हो, ग्राउन्डेड थियरी हो. सो वी आन्सर लाइक दिस. Okay, whereas okay, if you say our research is quantitative research, we answer, oh, it is experimental research, it is okay correlational type of research, it is survey research. Okay, भन्छौँ. यसको मतलब कस्ता वर्डहरु यससँग रिलेटेड हुन्छ भने एक्सपेरिमेन्टल, इम्पेरिकल, स्ट्याटिस्टिकल, म्याथमेटिकल, न्यूमेरिकल, कम्प्युटेशनल भन्ने कुराहरु चाहिँ यसमा जोडिएर आउँछ. So goal of investigation in qualitative research is understanding, describing, discovering, hypothesis generating. Okay, मैले के भनेको थिएँ, qualitative research is not driven by hypothesis. Okay, it is not driven by any theory, rather it may produce a theory at the end, so it may generate new hypotheses at the end. Whereas in quantitative research, okay, so our concern, our goal is what? Prediction, पूर्वानुमान गर्ने के हुन सक्छ भनेर. Okay, prediction, control, okay, compare, show the relationship, okay, describe, confirm, दुईटाको सम्बन्ध हो कि होइन भनेर confirm गर्ने, hypothesis testing भन्छ. Okay, so in qualitative research we may generate new hypothesis or theory at the end, whereas in quantitative research we test the hypothesis at the end. So design characteristics, if you talk about the nature of design, research design कस्तो खालको हुन्छ भन्दा, in qualitative research the design is very flexible. अहिले मैले भनिसकेको छु, it is very flexible type of design. It is evolving or emergent type of design. Okay, evolving or emergent. Okay, it may change in course of time. It is very dynamic type of research. Whereas in quantitative research, okay, I mean the quantitative research is predetermined भनेको pre-structured. अहिले मैले भनेको थिएँ नि, कमा फुल स्टप पनि चेन्ज गर्न हुँदैन पछि भन्ने कुरा हुन्छ यसमा. Okay, everything is okay predetermined or pre-structured. Okay, so these are the differences in terms of design. If you talk about the setting where data are collected, in qualitative research data are collected in natural setting, familiar environment, whereas in quantitative research data are collected in artificial environment or unfamiliar environment. यो भनेको के हो भने, जस्तो हामीले क्वेशन बनायो भने क्वान्टिटेटिभ रिसर्चमा चाहिँ जस्तो सर्वे क्वेशन बनायो भने त्यो सर्वे क्वेशनको चाहिँ आन्सर भर्नको लागि हामीले चाहिँ आफै जान पनि पर्दैन, कसैलाई पठाइदिए पनि हुन्छ, अथवा सबै हाम्रो रेस्पोन्डेन्टलाई एउटा एक ठाउँमा एउटा स्कुलमा अथवा एउटा चौरमा अथवा कतै जम्मा गरेर ल यो भर्नुस् न भनेर 1-2 घण्टामा सक्ने कामहरू हुन्छ यो क्वान्टिटेटिभ रिसर्चमा. ओके, सो it is carried out in artificial situation. तपाईको रेस्पोन्डेन्टलाई तपाईको गाउँमा बोलाएर, तपाईको स्कुलमा बोलाएर अथवा कुनै ठाउँमा खुला चौरमा बोलाएर ओके पनि गराउन सक्नुहुन्छ. But in qualitative research you have to go to the field. त्यही ठाउँमा जानुपर्छ. You have to go to the same field, you have to observe the situation, you have to talk to the informants or the participants very rigorously. You should try to behave like them. You should try to collect the data in a very natural environment. If you talk about the sample size, in qualitative research, okay, we use small sample size. Sample size is very small. सानो हुन्छ, मैले एक जना पनि हुन सक्छ भनेको छु. Whereas in quantitative research the sample size is very big. अब कस्तो खालको sample use गरिन्छ, sampling method use गरिन्छ भने in qualitative research we use non-random sampling. अब यो बुझ्नु हुन्न, यो मैले अहिले ओड मात्रै सुन्नु होला, पछि हाम्रो च्याप्टर्स रिलेटेड च्याप्टरमा हामी पढ्छौं. ओके, अहिले चाहिँ यो सम्झनु होला कम्तिमा. Okay, we use non-random sampling in qualitative research, whereas we use random sampling in quantitative research. Okay, non-random sampling भनेको आफुलाई आफ्नो आन्सरलाई आफ्नोलाई पाएको पनि कन्भिनियन्ट हुने चाहिँ जो मान्छेहरु हुन्छ उनीहरुलाई उनीहरुबाट डेटा लिनु, त्यो non-random sampling. Random sampling भनेको एउटा सिस्टम हुन्छ. Okay, random sampling is a process in which okay the chances of selection will be equal for all the participants. त्यो पपुलेसनमा भएका मान्छेहरु सेलेक्ट हुने चान्स इक्वल हुन्छ. Okay, त्यसलाई probability sampling पनि भन्छ. We use the term probability sampling. Data collection. Okay, in data collection process, researcher himself or herself is considered as the primary instrument of data collection, and generally interviews, unstructured interview or semi-structured interview and observation are used. Okay, data collection गर्दाखेरि कस्ता टुल युज हुन्छन् भने क्वालिटेटिभ रिसर्चमा चाहिँ यो फोकस ग्रुप डिस्कसन, इन डेप्थ इन्टरभ्यू, अनस्ट्रक्चर्ड इन्टरभ्यू, अलिअलि पोइन्टहरु लिएर जाने, बाँकी चाहिँ वही क्वेशनहरु बनाउने, सोध्ने, त्यस्तो खालको चाहिँ गरिन्छ यो भने. ओके, इन क्वान्टिटेटिभ रिसर्च ओके, सो वी युज स्ट्रक्चर्ड इन्टरभ्यू. सबै स्ट्रक्चर्ड हुन्छ, सर्वे क्वेशनहरु एकदम स्ट्रक्चर्ड हुन्छ, पहिले डिजाइन गरेको हुन्छ. ओके, इनएनिमेट इन्स्ट्रुमेन्ट्सहरु हुन्छ, स्केलहरु युज गर्छौं, टेस्टहरु युज गर्छौं, क्वेशन आयरहरु युज गर्छौं, क्वेशन आयर प्रश्नावलीहरु पहिले तयार गर्छौं. Okay, question आयर भन्छ. Okay, so mode of analysis. Okay, in qualitative research, okay, the mode of analysis is inductive. हामीले idea generate गर्ने चाहिँ inductive process हुन्छ. Okay, but in quantitative research the mode of analysis is deductive. अब inductive मा हामी के गर्छौं भन्दा डेटाबाट जनरलाइज गर्छौं, एउटा कमन स्टेटमेन्ट निकाल्छौं, ओके डिडक्टिभमा चाहिँ पहिला जनरल स्टेटमेन्ट थियरीबाट चाहिँ हामी कन्क्लुजनमा आउँछौँ ओके सो दिस इज द डिफरेन्स बिट्विन इन्डक्सन एन्ड डिडक्सन so findings will be comprehensive holistic or expansive in qualitative research okay in quantitative research it is precise narrow reductionist भनेको जनरलाइजेबल टाइपको फाइन्डिङ चाहिँ क्वालिटेटिभ रिसर्चमा चाहिँ जनरलाइजेबल हुँदैन इम्प्लिकेसनल मात्रै हुन्छ ओके एउटाको फाइन्डिङ चाहिँ त्यस्तै सिचुएसनमा आयो भने चाहिँ मिल्ने हुन्छ तर क्वालिटेटिभ रिसर्चमा चाहिँ द फाइन्डिङ विल बी जनरलाइजेबल ओके भनेको 100 जनाबाट हाम्रो 1000 जनाबाट हामीले चाहिँ स्याम्पल लिएको हो भने 100 जनामा हामीले डेटा कलेक्ट गर्यो 100 जनाबाट भने द फाइन्डिङ फ्रम द 100 पिपल ओके 100 रेस्पोन्डेन्ट्स okay will be considered as the same as the finding from the whole population the reality of the part and the reality of the whole the truth of the part okay and the truth of the whole will be same भन्ने खालको कुरा हुन्छ okay yes representative हुन्छ भन्ने कुरा गरिन्छ त्यसलाई जनरलाइजेबिलिटी भन्छ सामान्यीकरण गर्ने जनरलाइज गर्ने okay yes these are the differences between some differences between qualitative research and quantitative research. See once again, so how does qualitative research okay differ from quantitative research? If you talk about the focus, okay, in qualitative research our focus is quality, meaning of experience, meaning of the okay individual experiences, whereas in quantitative research our focus is quantity, frequency, magnitude, amount, how much, how many, what percentage यस्तो खालको हुन्छ. The philosophical root of qualitative research is the philosophical foundation of qualitative research is constructivism or interpretivism, whereas the philosophical foundation of quantitative research is positivism. The goal of investigation in qualitative research is understanding, describing, or discovering okay a particular discovering the meaning, understanding the meaning of the lived experiences of the people, okay, whereas the goal of investigation in quantitative research is predicting the relationship between the variables. Variable भन्छ खाली quantitative research मा variable, independent variable, dependent variable, okay, and different other types of variables, okay. त्यसका कुराहरु मात्रै हुन्छ. तपाई क्वान्टिटेटिभ रिसर्च गर्दै हुनुहुन्छ भने खाली variable को रिलेसन देखाउ भन्छ, okay, cause effect relationship. जस्तो प्रोजेक्ट वर्क र लर्नर्स आउटकम मा के रिलेशनशिप छ? What is the relationship between project work and learning outcome? Okay, भने प्रोजेक्ट वर्क एउटा भेरिएबल भयो, लर्निङ आउटकम अर्को भेरिएबल. Okay, smoking and cancer भनेको जस्तो स्मोकिङ एउटा भेरिएबल भयो, क्यान्सर अर्को भेरिएबल भयो. Okay, advertisement and sale भने what is the effect of advertisement on sale? Okay, advertisement एउटा भेरिएबल independent भेरिएबल भयो, sale भनेको dependent भेरिएबल हो. So we are more concerned with the relationship between the variables. Okay, so our goal is what? Predicting the relationship, controlling, confirming, testing hypothesis. If you talk about design characteristics, okay, the designs of qualitative research are more flexible, they are evolving or emergent, okay, whereas the designs of quantitative research are more structured or predetermined. If you talk about data collection, okay, in qualitative research, researcher himself or herself is a data collection tool or data collection instrument, whereas in quantitative research, the researcher himself or herself is not the data collection tool. Okay, yes, researcher uses external instruments, okay, like observation checklist, test, survey questions, questionnaires, and so on to collect the data. So these are the differences between qualitative research and quantitative research. Okay, ल एकैछिन है, मैले अलिकति यसको समराइज गरे. क्वालिटेटिभ रिसर्च भन्ने बित्तिकै ओके क्वालिटी यसरी अब 5-7 वटा डिफरेन्सहरु सम्झिहाल्नु होला है. Qualitative research is based on the philosophical foundation of constructivism. Quantitative research is based on the philosophical foundation of okay positivism. एउटा त्यो जान सम्झनु होला. Okay, qualitative research is subjective exploration of truth, subjective study of truth, whereas quantitative research is objective study of truth. Qualitative research is inductive, quantitative research is deductive. Sample size in qualitative research is small, whereas the sample size is big in quantitative research. We use non-random sampling in qualitative research, whereas we use okay random sampling, random samples in quantitative research. The research designs are very flexible, emergent, or what you call evolving in qualitative research. Okay, but they are very structured, unchangeable, predetermined in quantitative research. Qualitative research is value laden research, whereas quantitative research is value free research. Qualitative research is dominated by soft data or words or non-statistical, non-numerical, non-mathematical, non-computational data. Data may be in the form of words, photos, okay, symbols, and so on. Whereas quantitative research is dominated by what? Statistical data, okay, numerical data. Because while asking question itself, okay, we ask how the question, like how many, how much, like this. You agree, disagree, okay, like this. Fixed answer is given by the participant. Okay, the ontological position of qualitative research is what? Truth is multiple, truth is subjective, whereas the ontological position of quantitative research is what? Truth is singular, truth is objective. If you talk about epistemological position, qualitative research assumes that the reality can be explored through subjective way, whereas in quantitative research it is said that it is believed that the reality can be explored in objective way by following the scientific steps, the steps that is followed in natural science. Reality is out there, and the job of the researcher is just to uncover it. This is the assumption of quantitative research, whereas qualitative research says that reality is not out there, it is in the mind. It is in the mind of different individuals. It is rather constructed. Reality or truth is socially constructed, and there are multiple social constructions of truth and reality. The job of the researcher is to find out the multiple construction of truth or reality. So this is the summary. Do you have anything to ask regarding the differences between qualitative research and quantitative research? So you wait for a moment. Okay, so I'll complete some slides, and at the end we'll discuss. So you can see on the screen, here are the types of quantitative research. Just see, experimental research is quantitative research. Quasi-experimental research is quantitative research. Descriptive design, there are two types of, let's say, quantitative design actually. Two types of quantitative design. One experimental, next non-experimental. दुई खालका क्वान्टिटेटिभ डिजाइन हुन्छ. क्वान्टिटेटिभ डिजाइनहरु पनि दुई खालका हुन्छ. एउटा चाहिँ एक्सपेरिमेन्टल हुन्छ, अर्को चाहिँ नन एक्सपेरिमेन्टल हुन्छ. जस्तो एक्सपेरिमेन्टल डिजाइन र क्वाजा एक्सपेरिमेन्टल डिजाइन, ओके, जुनमा चाहिँ ल्याबमा जसरी नै हामीले चाहिँ एक्सपेरिमेन्ट गर्छौं, ओके, त्यसलाई एक्सपेरिमेन्टल डिजाइन भन्छ. तर अरु बाँकी चाहिँ नन एक्सपेरिमेन्टल हुन्छ. ओके, लाइक डिस्क्रिप्टिभ डिजाइन, ओके, कजल कम्पेरेटिभ डिजाइन, केस स्टडी डिजाइन, यसलाई क्वान्टिटेटिभमा नै राखेको हुन्छ यदि यसलाई हामीले क्वान्टिफाई गर्छौं भने. सर्वे डिजाइन, कोरिलेसनल डिजाइन, ओके, these are non-experimental types of design. So what are the differences between qualitative research and quantitative research? Once more, qualitative research is dominated by language, whereas quantitative research is dominated by statistics. Okay, for its detailed information. बुझ्नु भयो होला. तपाईले ध्यान दिनु भएको छ भने, तपाईले क्वेशन सोध्नु भयो भने तपाईले ध्यान नदिएको रहेछ भन्ने मैले बुझ्छु है. यदि मैले यति भन्दाखेरि पनि फेरि सर व्हाट इज क्वालिटेटिभ रिसर्च, व्हाट इज क्वान्टिटेटिभ रिसर्च भने फेरि सोध्नु भयो भने तपाईले चाहिँ मैले पढाउन लागेको बेलामा चाहिँ बच्चासँग कुरा गर्दै हुनुहुन्छ अथवा श्रीमान श्रीमतीसँग कुरा गर्दै हुनुहुन्छ. यदि म्यारिड हो भने, अनि अनम्यारिड हो भने चाहिँ गर्लफ्रेन्ड बॉयफ्रेन्डसँग कुरा हुँदैछ अथवा अरु नै कारणले गर्दाखेरि हो भन्ने म बुझ्छु. मलाई ठ्याक्कै थाहा हुन्छ स्टुडेन्टले ध्यान दिएको नदिएको, किनकि म पहिला चाहिँ एकदम डेप्थमा पढाइदिन्छु, त्यसपछि स्टुडेन्टले त्यो क्वेशन सोध्ने चान्सै हुँदैन. यदि सोध्यो भने त्यो कतै प्रब्लम छ. पेलेले चाहिँ गोल हान्दाखेरि चाहिँ अलिकति चाहिँ मिस भयो थियो, के अरे मिस भयो अरे, पछि चाहिँ उसले चाहिँ त्यो गोल पोस्ट नै सानो छ भनेर नाप्दाखेरि चाहिँ गोल पोस्टै साँच्चैकै सानो रहेछ अरे. त्यो लेभल त होइन, तर पनि त्यस्तै. ल, अझ रिभाइज गर्दैछु, सकेको छैन. Qualitative research is dominated by language, whereas quantitative research is dominated by statistics. भनिसकेको छु मैले क्वालिटेटिभ रिसर्चमा हामीले ल्याङ्ग्वेज डेटाहरुको ल्याङ्ग्वेज फर्ममा हुन्छ, नन स्ट्याटिस्टिकल फर्ममा हुन्छ, नन न्यूमेरिकल फर्ममा हुन्छ क्वालिटेटिभ रिसर्चमा। ओपन इन्डेड क्वेशन सोध्ने हो नि त क्वालिटेटिभ रिसर्चमा त, क्लोज इन्डेड होइन नि, ओपन इन्डेड। तपाईलाई के लाग्छ, व्हाट डु यु थिंक, हाउ डु यु फिल, अनि व्हाट इज योर रेस्पोन्स भन्यो भने त उले चाहिँ यस नो मा आन्सर दिन्छ र उले चाहिँ एउटै टपिकमा उले चाहिँ 2 घण्टा बोल्दिन पनि सक्छ। अनि त्यसलाई चाहिँ कसरी पर्सेन्टेज निकाल्ने त्यसको, त्यस्तो सम्भवै छैन। सो डोमिनेटेड बाइ ल्याङ्ग्वेज। तर क्वान्टिटेटिभ रिसर्चमा हाम्रो क्वेसनै त्यस्तो हुन्छ कि यस भन्नु पर्यो कि नो क्वेसन। हामीले पढाउँछ नि यस नो क्वेसन, द आन्सर इज आइदर यस अर नो, सकियो। अग्री डिसअग्री 5 वटा हुन्छ, स्ट्रङली अग्री, अग्री, ओके, न्यूट्रल, ओके, डिसअग्री, स्ट्रङली डिसअग्री भने 5 वटा रेन्ज राखेको हुन्छ। हामीले त्यही मध्येबाटै कुन चुज गर्नु पर्यो। ओके, लाइक दिस। Next one, qualitative research is carried out in small scale, okay, small scale over a period of time. Qualitative research may be longitudinal type of research, okay, एउटैमा लामो अवधिसम्म चाहिँ गरिने खालको, okay. On the other hand, the quantitative research is carried out in a large scale, large size मा भनेको, large scale at a point of time. So it is more cross sectional. Quantitative research is more cross sectional, okay, whereas qualitative research is more longitudinal. Okay, so that is why qualitative research is a holistic approach, whereas quantitative research is a specific one. Qualitative research is discovery oriented. अब यहाँ तपाईको कुराको कारण आउनुस्, qualitative research is discovery oriented. अहिले मैले के भनेको थिएँ, so okay, at the end of qualitative research we may discover a new theory. So it is not driven by any hypothesis at the beginning. Okay, it is not driven by hypothesis, it is not driven by any theory. Okay, a qualitative researcher does not give, okay, the answer to the research question in advance. Hypothesis is not used here, whereas in quantitative research we use hypothesis. So it is discovery oriented. Qualitative research is discovery oriented, but the quantitative research focuses on, okay, varying existing body of knowledge. Okay, so verifying existing body of knowledge, verifying the theory. A qualitative research is subjective expertise. Sorry, a qualitative research is subjective enterprise. It assumes the dynamic reality. The quantitative research is objective one. Okay, so qualitative research is subjective exploration of truth, whereas quantitative research is objective, okay, study of truth. It is difficult to generalize the fact in qualitative research. I have already told you that qualitative research is not generalizable. Okay, we cannot generalize the findings in qualitative research. यसो सोच्नुस् त किन जनरलाइज गर्न सकिदैन, किनकि हाम्रो स्याम्पल साइज एकदम सानो हुन्छ, त्यो स्याम्पल पनि हामीले चाहिँ नन र्यान्डम के भन्छ नन र्यान्डम मेथडबाट लिएको हुन्छ। ओके, त्योबाट आएको फाइन्डिङ पुरै पपुलेसनमा लागू नहुन सक्छ। तर क्वान्टिटेटिभ रिसर्चमा चाहिँ हामीले स्याम्पलिङ गर्दा एकदम ध्यान दिनुपर्छ, त्यसलाई रिप्रेजेन्टेटिभ बनाउनु पर्छ। ओके, जब स्याम्पलिङ चाहिँ स्याम्पल चाहिँ टोटलको रिप्रेजेन्टेसन गर्ने हुन्छ भने त हामीले 100 जनाबाट आएको फाइन्डिङ र 1000 जना गर्दा आएको फाइन्डिङ उही हुन्छ भने चाहिँ हामी डिक्लेयर गर्न सक्छौं नि। ओके, सो दैट इज द डिफरेन्स. It is difficult to generalize the fact in qualitative research. Okay, facts in qualitative research. On the other hand, okay, in quantitative research it is generalizable. So qualitative research is more longitudinal, quantitative research is, okay, more cross-sectional. Qualitative research is conducted in natural setting. It is a natural inquiry of truth. Okay, whereas quantitative research is conducted in controlled environment, okay, or obtrusive environment. Qualitative research is emergent, whereas quantitative research is predetermined, okay, pre-structured type of research. Okay, qualitative research makes use of, okay, qualitative measurement skills to measure the variables. Contrary to it, okay, quantitative measurement skills like interval, ratio, and other, okay, they are used in, okay, let's say quantitative research. So these are some more differences between qualitative research and quantitative research. So what are the types of qualitative research then? Just see here, phenomenological research. Phenomenology is an example of qualitative research. Ethnography, grounded theory, narrative inquiry, discourse analysis, critical discourse analysis, CDA, content analysis, historical research, case study. These are the types of qualitative research, and in chapter 1 we'll be discussing these types, okay, individually. Okay, so I hope you are clear about the differences between qualitative research and quantitative research. And if you talk about mixed research, okay, it is the hybrid or integration of the good aspects of both qualitative research as well as quantitative research. Today time is almost over, so I think tomorrow we'll talk about this mixed research. Okay, once again I want to make you clear about the differences between quantitative research and qualitative research. Just see this slide. Quantitative research, okay, it is based on quantification, numbers, statistics. It is based on interpretation. Quantitative research believes in single objective wealth, whereas qualitative research is based on based on multiple subjective wealth. Okay, okay, in quantitative research, okay, we believe in no relationship with the study variables. Okay, but in qualitative research we believe that there is interactive relationship with study variables. Okay, quantitative research is value free research, qualitative research is value laden research. Okay, quantitative research is more formal, in impersonal and rule based structured type of research, whereas okay, qualitative research is conducted in informal setting. It is more personalized and context based type of research. Okay, quantitative research is more deductive, whereas qualitative research is more inductive. Okay, so qualitative research is context free, it is not context sensitive. Okay, it is more generalizable. The finding of quantitative research is generalizable, whereas the finding of qualitative research is not generalizable. It is only contextualized type of research. Okay, we have already fixed, we use fixed models, fixed procedures, okay, predetermined procedures, okay, in, let's say, quantitative research. But in qualitative research, our procedures, our methods, our designs may change, okay, in course of, okay, research, in course of field work. For our convenience, for finding answer to our research questions, we may change our, okay, let's say, tools, okay, questions, instruments, okay, in the middle also. Okay, so this is the difference between, okay, the quality, these two types of research, qualitative research and quantitative research. So I have tried my best to make you clear about this. At this level, I think this this explanation will be enough. Okay, when you reach MPhil level or upper level, okay, you may have to know, okay, okay, deeper than this. But at this level, it will be enough, more than enough for you. At this level, means in M8, this understanding will be more than enough for you. So now regarding this, if you have to ask anything, okay, mainly in regarding the differences between qualitative research and quantitative research, okay, the floor is open for you, please. Yes, please. Anything to ask?
My concept is almost clear, sir. Once I
Okay.
have to go through the slides to be confident.
Okay, okay. Yes, yes. So you prepare minimum 10 differences between qualitative research and quantitative research, okay? 10 differences, clear differences between qualitative research and quantitative research. Can we summarize now in 5 minutes? Can we summarize? Okay, in one section you keep qualitative research, in another section you keep quantitative research. Okay, so you start from paradigm, okay? So what is the philosophical paradigm of qualitative research? Shivaji, can you say what is the philosophical paradigm, philosophical foundation or base?
Phenomenology, did you say?
Phenomenology, or better to say constructivism. Okay, the philosophical base of qualitative research is constructivism or interpretivism. Constructivism भन्नु आउँदैन भने you just say interpretivism. And what about the quantitative research? What is its philosophical foundation or base?
Positivism or post-positivism?
Yes, positivism or post-positivism. Okay, one difference is clear. Next difference is, okay, qualitative research is a subjective approach to truth. It is a subjective study of truth. Qualitative research is subjective study of truth, whereas quantitative research is objective study of truth. Clear? One is subjective, next one is objective. Whereas, the third difference is qualitative research is more inductive. It is inductive research. Quantitative research is
deductive.
Deductive. So one is inductive,
More
next one is deductive. Inductive किन भनेको भन्दा यहाँ चाहिँ हामी लास्टमा थियरी डेभलप गर्छौं अनि डिडक्टिभ किन भनेको क्वान्टिटेटिभलाई भने चाहिँ थियरी गाइडेड हुन्छ पहिले थियरीबाट लिएर हाइपोथेसिसबाट अगाडि बढ्छौं तीनवटा भइसक्यो 10 वटा पुर्यौं है रिकल गर्नुस्
How about telling one by one we
Okay, yes, fine. I'll not say, you say. So once again from the beginning. So Shivaji, will you start the first one from the beginning? From the beginning. What is the first difference? You start from philosophical paradigm.
Foundation of qualitative research is constructivism or interpretivism, whereas for quantitative, positivism or post-positivism.
Okay. Now, Tara ma'am, will you say the second one? Second difference between qualitative research and quantitative. Yes.
Qualitative research is the subjective study of the truth, whereas quantitative research is the objective study of the truth.
Yes, you are right. Okay, Lalitji, will you add some more? Two more differences. We are only 7% here. Two more differences.
Yes.
Okay.
Quantitative research is more inductive, whereas quantitative research is deductive.
Deductive. Yes, you are right. One more. Say one more difference.
And yes, qualitative research, it is carried out in few number of participants, whereas quantitative research may include a large number of participants.
Yes. Or in other words, you can say the sample size of qualitative research is small, whereas the sample size of quantitative research is large.
Large.
Okay. Now, yes. Sasi ma'am, we have already said 4 or 5 differences. So could you add one more difference between qualitative and quantitative research? Sasi Kanal ma'am. Okay, Krishna Khadka. Krishna ji, are you there? Okay, he's not there. He's not speaking. Okay, then let's repeat. Now, Shivaji, will you add more?
Qualitative research is value laden, whereas quantitative is value free research.
Exactly. Yes. Qualitative research is value laden. Okay. Whereas quantitative research is value free research. Right. Okay. Lalit ji, will you add more?
Yes, sir. Qualitative research, it uses the qualitative method.
Yes.
And whereas quantitative research uses that data.
Yes, numerical data. So if you talk about data, in qualitative research, we use linguistic data or non-statistical type of data. Okay, soft data we use. Whereas in quantitative research, we use hard data or statistical or mathematical, numerical type of data. Okay. If you talk about the flexibility of design, okay, which one is more flexible, qualitative or quantitative?
Qualitative is more flexible, whereas quantitative is not less flexible.
Yes, it is
flexible
rigid.
Or non-flexible.
It is not flexible.
Yeah.
Okay, it is predetermined, pre-structured. Okay, so we don't change anything in course of time. So the design, yes.
Qualitative research is for testing already quantitative research is for testing already discovered research, whereas qualitative is used for discovering a new idea or theory.
Or you can say in this way, in quantitative research, okay, we attempt to test a particular theory or hypothesis, whereas in qualitative research, we want to discover or derive, okay, a theory or new hypothesis. Yes. Okay, so these are, and if you talk about the situation or the context where research is carried out, qualitative research is carried out in natural setting. It is naturalistic type of inquiry, whereas quantitative research is carried out in artificial, okay, or controlled environment, controlled setting. Qualitative research is more longitudinal. यस्ता वर्डहरु पनि छुटाउनु भएन नि, अनि तपाईहरु फेल हुनु भन्ने जस्तो अवस्था आउनु भएन नि त, हैन? It is more longitudinal भनेको एउटै पार्टिसिपेन्टबाट लामो समयसम्म चाहिँ डेटा कलेक्सन गरिरहने अथवा स्टडी गरिरहने. Okay, it is more longitudinal, whereas quantitative research is more cross sectional. At a time data collection गर्ने, cross sectional. Okay, yes. And if you talk about the tools in qualitative research, we use the data collection tools like in-depth interview, unstructured interview, or focus group discussion, okay, like this. Okay, whereas in quantitative research we use structured interview, survey questionnaire, and so on for collecting data. Okay, I think we have almost covered the major differences between qualitative research and quantitative research. And if you want to give the examples, the examples
sir,
of
qualitative qualitative research is hypothesis generating,
yes,
and whereas quantitative is hypothesis testing, sir.
yes, you are right. Okay, you are right. Anything missing? Can anyone add more? If you give the examples of the types of research, like, okay, survey research, experimental research, okay, correlational research, etc., are the examples of quantitative research. Whereas case study, phenomenological research, okay, historical research, narrative inquiry, discourse analysis, critical discourse analysis are the examples of quantitative research. Okay.
Qualitative.
Yes, sorry. So I'm sorry. It is qualitative research. Okay.
Okay, sir, we will synthesize it from the beginning session of tomorrow.
Okay, yes, tomorrow before starting new topic, I may ask you to revise once. And I have given some questions there in the Google Classroom. Attempt those questions and everything will be, okay, summarized there. So I have given 3-4 questions there, and within 10 to 15 days, you can complete those questions. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you very much.